Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best square glue stick on the market, the Kokuyo Gloo Square Glue Stick, a small-sized, colored disappearable glue stick imported from Japan. This product is a perfect choice for anyone looking for precision, convenience, and eco-conscious design in their adhesive tools. First off, the Kokuyo Gloo Square Glue Stick stands out because of its unique square body shape. Unlike traditional cylindrical glue sticks, this square design ensures that the glue stick won't roll off your desk, giving you one less thing to worry about while you work or craft. The body dimensions measure approximately 4.33 by 1.26 by 6.14 inches, and it weighs just 0.78 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle for both adults and kids. One of the most impressive features of this glue stick is the color disappearable formula. The glue comes out in a bright blue color, which makes it incredibly easy to see exactly where you are applying it. This helps avoid any missed spots or uneven coverage. Then, as the glue dries, the blue color magically disappears, leaving a clean and clear finish on your paper or project surface. This makes it ideal for schoolwork, scrapbooking, and any paper crafting where precision is key. Thanks to its rectangular glue shape, the adhesive can be applied evenly and precisely, reaching even the corners of your paper or project. This gives you a smooth and professional-looking bond every time. Whether you're gluing photos, paper cutouts, or lightweight materials, this glue stick provides strong adhesion without any mess. The cap design is also thoughtfully crafted with a round shape that is easy to open 360 degrees, offering a highly sealable closure. This means the glue stick stays fresh and doesn't dry out quickly, extending the life of your glue. Plus, the cap and the body are made with 75% recycled plastic, which means you are also making an eco-friendly choice by using this product. Whether you are a student, artist, or someone who loves to do crafts at home, the Kokuyo Gloo Square Glue Stick offers a convenient, reliable, and clean way to glue your projects with confidence. The size is perfect for portability and storage, fitting easily into pencil cases, desk drawers, or craft kits. To sum it up, the Kokuyo Gloo Square Glue Stick combines innovative design, visible application, and environmental consideration, making it a top contender for the best glue stick out there. If you want precision, ease of use, and a glue stick that won't let you down, this product deserves a spot in your toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.